The 5-minute rule is simple, but its simplicity is exactly what makes it powerful. You do not promise to finish the task. You do not promise to do it perfectly. You do not promise to make dramatic progress. You promise only 5 focused minutes. Nothing more. 5 minutes of reading. 5 minutes of writing. 5 minutes of studying, exercising, cleaning, organizing, or planning. Just 5 intentional minutes. This small commitment changes everything. Large promises create pressure, and pressure creates resistance. When you tell yourself you must complete an entire project, your mind immediately calculates the effort required. It sees time, difficulty, uncertainty, and the possibility of failure. That calculation feels heavy. And that heaviness often leads to delay. But when you say, only 5 minutes, the emotional weight shrinks. The task no longer feels overwhelming. It feels limited. It feels controlled. It feels achievable. The brain prefers commitments that feel safe and defined. 5 minutes has a clear beginning and a clear ending. There is no endless obligation attached to it. You are not signing a contract for exhaustion. You are agreeing to a short, manageable action. Because the commitment is small, the mind resists less. There is no dramatic internal debate. You are not asking for extraordinary effort. You are asking for a brief start. And that makes all the difference. The rule works because it lowers the barrier to action. Instead of facing the entire mountain, you focus only on taking one step onto the path. And once your foot touches the path, something shifts. Movement replaces overthinking. Focus replaces doubt. Action interrupts anxiety. You may notice that once you begin, continuing feels easier than expected. 5 minutes often becomes 10. 10 becomes 20. Not because you forced yourself, but because resistance dissolved. Starting breaks inertia. The hardest part was never the effort itself, it was the emotional tension before the effort. Even on days when you stop at 5 minutes, you still succeed. You kept your promise. That consistency matters more than intensity. The goal of the rule is not to exhaust yourself. It is to build trust with yourself. When you repeatedly prove that you can begin, you strengthen your identity as someone who takes action. Over time, your brain learns that starting is not dangerous. It learns that discomfort is brief and manageable. Fear decreases. Hesitation shortens. Beginning becomes natural. The 5-minute rule is not about productivity alone. It is about reducing resistance and building momentum. It is about replacing pressure with simplicity. When you remove the demand to finish everything at once, you remove the weight that was holding you back. 5 minutes is small enough to begin without fear, yet powerful enough to shift direction. And once direction changes, progress follows.